Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you reset your Zoho Mail password in case you forget it. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Zoho Mail application. Now, after opening the application, just simply click on your profile icon. From there, go to this My Account section. Now, after coming to the My Account section, you will see this sealed icon just below the profile icon. Click into that. From here, you will get the option to change password. But now, it will ask for the current password to change password. In this case, you have to tap into this Forget Password option. Now, it will ask for the verification by entering the CAPTCHA into this box. Just simply enter the CAPTCHA and click to Next. Now, it will ask for any of the last part password that you remember. If you can match any of the password from the previous passwords, you can directly sign into your account. And if you don't remember that either, click to this Continue to Reset Password button. Then click to this Send OTP button. Now, simply copy the password reset verification into here and then click to verify. Now, after doing that, you can set up a new password for your account. To do that, just simply enter the new password into the upper box and confirm the new password into the box at the bottom. Then click to Change Password. Now, after doing this, you can terminate all of the login sessions from your browsers if you want that. Click to this box and then click to Continue. Now, after doing this, your password into Zoho Mail is successfully reset. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.